Hello and welcome, this is Sohaib here, and in this video we are going to be discussing the new launch by Damac with the name of Damac Islands Phase 2, where you will be getting 4 and 5 bedroom townhouses. And this is the same Damac Islands, you might have seen the ads, Ranveer Singh chilling at the beach with Sara Ali Khan and Amitabh Bachchan in between. If we talk about Damac Islands Phase 1, previous year you were getting 4 and 5 bedroom townhouses, 6 and 7 bedroom villas as well. Like we're talking about a 30 million square feet of a community, like 3,000 units were sold out in a day. We are talking about 9 billion dirhams of sale was made in less than 10 hours, which is a big achievement for a developer like Damac. And like they have put this achievement right on the top of their portfolio, like selling 9 billion dirhams in a day is a pretty much big deal as well. Phase 2 is right next to Phase 1. We're talking about Emirates Road, like one of the major highways of Dubai. And you can say for this size of a community, you need to move out of the city. Like you cannot get the space of 30 million square feet within a community. And most of the communities are on Emirates Road right now. If we talk about Miras, Aldar, or even the latest launch was by Arada with the name of Masar, it was also on Emirates Road. So for the communities, definitely you need to move out of the city, and you are getting city within a city. All of the basic amenities, basic necessities, you are getting within the community, so you don't have to move out. To be exact, if we talk about the distance, and as we take Burj Khalifa downtown as a reference point, you are about 30 minutes of a drive. And even if we talk about Dubai airport, like the previous airport which is operational right now, you are about 25 minutes of a drive. And even if we talk about Al Maktoum International Airport, which is going to be operational in 2029 or 2030, exact distance will be around like 18 to 20 minutes of a drive. Talking about the theme of the community, you are getting 6 clusters of island. Right in the middle you have a lagoon, like most of the community is for townhouses and villas. We don't have residentials or commercial towers launched yet. But for now, like you are getting a theme of islands, as the song claims it to be. You are in an island state of mind. Like islands will be like Maldives, Fiji, Bora Bora, or even like Seychelles. I'll also name it. Other than this, if we talk about the amenities, like most of the amenities will be water facing or lagoon facing. We are talking about a water park, or even beach type of activities will be involved. Payment plan for phase 2 hasn't been officially revealed, but we are talking about standard payment plan for Damac, which goes like 20% you are paying as a down payment, 4% will be your land department fees, 40% you are paying during construction, and remaining 40% at the time of handover. Right now we are in UI phase for 4 and 5 bedroom townhouses only. So I do think so it is a pretty much good investment to go with Damac Islands, community like Damac Islands, and it was sold out in a day. So remember, EYs are like people are putting in EYs pretty much fast. That's it for now. If you need to ask anything, just send me a WhatsApp. I'm always up. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.